Take the time to dig deep.
Happy Sunday, y'all. I guess for you it's Monday. Let's get this day going. I need to go here in a little bit to pick up groceries. But for now, I'm gonna go make sure my kitchen's clean because I have some baking to do. Alright, groceries are put away. And before I start on my pie, I thought I would do some unboxings. I've done some retail therapy this past week, and I can't wait to show you. This is from Amazon. You will see this, especially if you hop over to Riding with Sheila channel, quite often. But it's a coffee mug, and it says, "Please do not annoy the rider. She may put you in a book and kill you." I love coffee mugs. I think I'll do all the Amazon ones first, just to get them out of the way. Have you guys done any retail therapy lately? I don't like going in the stores anyway, a whole lot. So, it's been a while since I actually bought myself something. So it's kind of nice to do that today, or this week. Good! This is what I was waiting on. I found these Papermate gel pens. I have a ton of pens, gazillions. But these were on sale at a really good price. And it is the, they're supposed to dry 3 times faster. I really got these for planning for my social media planner, especially now having 3 channels and working different things. I will color coordinate many things, so you guys will see these a lot in the future. I also got this to try. It's by the Republic of Tea. It is a double dark chocolate mate. I do not drink the loose tea. I prefer the bags because it's easier to take to work and just prep at work if I want. I wanted a dessert tea. So we're gonna give this one a shot. That is what that looks like. I will definitely taste it and let you guys know how I like it. I'm really back into teas and coffees again. And this is one of my favorites. It is by Grove Square. It's the cappuccino. It's the caramel. I first tried this when we went to Fredericksburg, gosh, 7 years ago. That was one of the options we had in the cabin, and it was delicious. And so whenever I have it, it reminds me of that trip with my husband. So I will have those to add to the coffee bar. This is another tea. Also, I got it on Amazon. Now, a lot of it is because I don't want to wait for shipping from other companies, honestly. Oh, the tin is dented, but oh well. It's Harney & Sons Hot Cinnamon Spice. I know it's more of a fall flavor for many people, but I love cinnamon any time of year, and it's very soothing and comforting. So that will be nice to try. Excuse me. Next, I'm going to show you some things I got from Ulta. This is only half my order. The other, I had got some mixed stuff that just didn't come through yet. It'll probably be here this week. Oh, nice. They're having a sale, you guys. If you go to Ulta, oh, there's 2. If you go to Ulta or go online, they have, I'm trying to see who this is. It's buy one, get one 50% off. Any eye, lip, and age perfect skincare by L'Oreal. Nice. Plus you get a free gift. Oh, I did get one mix in. Nice. Okay. I got this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I needed a better foundation. I got it in the color nude. That is usually what I wear. The foundation I've been using has been like drugstore foundation, and I'm over it. I'm over it. One of my favorites is from Sephora, but I really like Too Faced products too. Which takes me to the eye palette. This is the eye palette I always have. You guys have seen me use it many times. It is just the Natural Eyes. Yes, you can hear my husband coughing in the background. His allergies are bothering him. Oh, they've changed it up since I got mine. Nice. Fancy. And it is just in your browns, in your natural colors, which does that mirror? Isn't that cool? Anyway, just in your natural colors. So I'm happy to have that back in my makeup. And this NYX, one thing I did get from NYX was Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It's a setting powder, just because I wanted a better powder as well, and I really like the NYX. So there you go. I absolutely love makeup. I do. I've worn it several times. I have to clean my makeup myself, guys. I can't just toss and go. I have one more thing to show you that came in. This I ordered from Wayfair. I like Wayfair, but I will tell you, they have the most dinged up, partially cracked boxes when they ship things sometimes. And this is for, have patience. I am going to revamp our hot beverage center. We used to call it our coffee bar, but really we drink a lot of tea, and it is just this little holder. And so I figured I have a spot for tea, I have a spot for coffee, K-cups, for cocoa, and then probably some more K-cups as well. So yay, we'll see. It'll be fun to kind of do that area a little bit. So that is all of my unboxing stuff for this week, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit.
Underneath this red heat, we could really meet.
Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a night. You got to see my dinner. I did the unboxing with you, kind of started my morning with you, and then the rest of the day I've spent editing, filming, and all that good jazz. I'm tired. So tomorrow I will have a lot more, because tomorrow I go back to work. So yay. But it is now 9 o'clock and I'm going to bed because my alarm goes off at 4:30. So see you tomorrow. I know today's vlog was short. They're not all going to be short, I promise. Bye.
Layers, it's time to lose these naysays.